We're going to do it bit by bit. You'll see me play it and then I will teach you. Here's the first part. Okay, so how that goes. E flat. Two of those, that's an A-shaped bar chord at the 6th fret. Then we're going to go down to G minor, E-shaped bar chord at the 3rd fret. C. Put your first finger flat, and then go to F6. That's 3, 2, 3. Then we're going to play a B flat major, F with an A bass, then G major, and then just strum a C with a G bass. And that is our first section. Alright, so we've got some notes in here. We're going to bend a G, a tone and back. Then we're going to swap our fingers and we're going to play a hammer from 5 to 7. Then we're going to rake through the strings. Now how you do that is with the back of your right hand, be ready, and then your second finger is going to be on F, the 6th fret on the B string, and you get that sound before you hit the note. Now if you've never done this before, this is going to take a bit of practice. It's not super easy, but it's a super cool sound with the sound that we've got on. So we're going to play 6, 5, 6, 8, 5. Right. Generally, always try and have the tremolo, just holding your pinky there. Or if you don't have tremolo, you just use the finger vibrato, right? So, second line. Right, so it's very similar to the first. We're going to bend that G. Whoops, went a bit far there, but F, E, D, E, E. And then we're going to play some chords. We're going to do that rake again. That's a D minor. That is a G. So 5, 6, 7 is the top of an A minor shaped bar chord, and this here is a D shaped chord. Always try and make them individuals, if you know what I mean. So don't have them ring over each other. Right? Okay, next part. Okay, so the next part actually starts with an E flat chord, and the lead guitar finishes on that E flat. It's 8th fret on the G string. Now underneath there's Farfisa organ, I think. The chords are E flat, G minor, C, D minor, B flat, G major, C. Right? And then the lead guitar plays. So you're going to hit 7 on the A string, it's an E, and then slide down from 5 to 3. And that gets you into the reprise of the theme. So again, you can see same thing, right? Right, and then this time on the 4, you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And slightly different for the first time, and then pick back that D minor, Right, and then we get to the bridge. This is what that sounds like. So, not super hard. We're going to start here with an A on the 7th fret of the D string, and we're going to go to 5, C, and then F sharp. So you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And second riff, the first two notes are always the same in this section. Right, then top string, that's an A, and then first one. And then the drums go ba, 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 cha, and we go to the next bit. This is what that sounds like. All right, modulation theme is what I've called this because it changes key. All right, so we're going to bend an A at the 2nd fret on the G string. So then we're going to go same, but everything's up a tone, right, into A. And then we're going to go same thing again. Now, play open G, F sharp. And then we're going to pick back through an E minor this time, and then through an A major. Okay, that is that bit. Next part, this is what it sounds like. I've called this bit the outro theme. Okay, there's some fancy action going on here. We're going to play F, then open A. Slide from C to B, open E, G, A, G. Now, then we're going to play a natural harmonic at the 5th fret. Right? Now, you've probably played harmonics at the 12th fret maybe before. How it works is you just need to slightly touch the string and strike it and then release. And you get that nice clear sound. Now, you could use the tremolo to make it go up and down. Yeah? Or if you don't have a tremolo, you can do the fanciest trick on the guitar. Is this the fanciest trick on the guitar? I don't know. I think it's kind of cool. Harmonic, and then you just push the G string behind the nut. Nice. Then we're going to play an F backwards, so D shape F. And then we're going to play an E minor, D shape E minor, D minor shape E minor. 3, 5, 4. And then at the end of the bar on the and before the 4 we get, actually hits it twice, and we do that. Business. Okay. Next part is, so that's 13, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and then we're going to play an A minor shape, an A minor rather, D minor shape. Sometimes with that I put my 3rd finger on the D string just to make sure that, you know, I don't hit it. And then we can hit triplets. Crotchet triplets. Okay, last bit of this section. We're going to walk through a D minor. Walk through an E minor. play a big old A minor. Give it a bit of a wobble. Okay, then we're into outro theme, Reprise. This is what that sounds like. So we've got F, A, slide, E, G, pull off, A. Do a bit of that if you want. Then second line where there's some sort of talking in behind, in the comments, if you know what that talking is, write it down. That was pretty easy. F, A, E, G. Okay. Slide. Pretty much what we had before. Another one of these. And then we're going to play F major, E minor, pinky goes here on 15, 14, so that part was 13, 13, 14, 12, 12, 12. And then you're going to play an A minor, so basically you get 17, 17 and 20. Give it a bit of that. And then at the end of the bar you've got and 4, and 4. Okay, then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right? Then we've got E minor. And then A minor. So that was A minor, play C, 8, 7, B, and then A minor. All right, the last little bit, see how it sounds. So we're coming to the end of the song. So we play F, A, C, B, E, G, pull off, A minor. And you play A minor 7, which is 2, 1, 3. Okay? And then D minor, E minor, and then A. And A, C. C here, 8th fret on the high E string. Alright, watch this Midnight Oil video next. Bang. See ya.